in this tutorial we are going to design a simple 3D keychain. First, I open the Tinkercad website. Then to add an icon to the design, I open the Thingiverse. After that, I go back to Tinkercad. Click import and select my file. I am waiting for the icon to appear, and now I am resizing my icon. I add a cylinder and make it thinner so it looks like a keychain. I am placing my icon in the center of the circle, then pressing the triangle marker above it and lifting my icon upwards. I add a ring to attach my keychain. If we don't group everything together, the design might appear incomplete in the slicer. After finishing the design, we export it as an SL file and it opens automatically in the slicer. Part 2. Now we're learning how to make a keychain, and now we are adding text to it. This is the keychain. I designed it myself on this site, and here is the 3D printed version. Catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys.